last bout natin. Mga well-seasoned fighters na po ito, Muay Thai fighters. Again, from Malaybalay City, it's Sigod Christian Ray on the red corner. And from Zamboanga City, it's Alabata Noel on the blue corner. Dalawa lang pwede maging outcome nito. Talagang yung dikit na dikit ang laban o ang bilis matapos. Again, both of these athletes are well seasoned na ho sa Muay Thai competitions, Muay Thai tournaments. And here we go, round 1 of our last bout. Again, it's Sigod Christian Ray on red and Alabata Noel on blue. This is Malaybalay City versus Zamboanga City. And Alabata pushing Sigod on his corner. A reset will be called by our referee Arnold Kiambao. Squaring up, both athletes are squaring up each other. Sigod trying to land a low kick right there, pero ginantihan ni Alabata, and nice knee to the body by Sigod into the plum. Let's see kung sinong makakalamang with their knee strikes. And a reset is called by our referee. Nice knees by Sigod. Nakakasingit ng mga knee strikes si Sigod every clinch. So far, nakukuha niya lahat ng clinching. Nice reverse back kick by Alabata. And feint jab sabay straight from Alabata, pushing Sigod on the ropes. Palitan po, exchange of punches. Right now, Alabata is pushing Sigod into the ropes. Oops, that was an illegal strike. Nice kick to the head. And Superman punch sabay knee strike sa body into the plum. And a reset is called by our referee. Oh, hey! Oh, hey! Nice low kick by Alabata. Let's see kung anong gagawin ng parehong atleta in the last seconds of this round. Low kick sabay counter by Alabata. Oy! tumama ho ang straight ni Sigod kay Alabata. Oy! Nakangisi ba? Okay, right now. Kaya pala, well season itong mga atleta na ito. As you can see, both on the corners. Nasa blue corner po, si Crew Onyok. Kilalang kilala yan sa Mindanao. Even national level, nagpapadala na yan ng mga atleta internationally. And on the other hand naman, isa sa mga powerhouse po ng Mindanao, ang Malaybalay City, syempre headed by none other than Crew Randy Mores. And here comes our round 2. And a low blow, accidental low blow. It was a clear accidental low kick. And there we have